Welcome back to another Adventures of Non-Dom. This is me, Gigi, and that's right, I am going to be using my non-dominant hand today to put nails on my right hand. These nails are going to celebrate two things. My birthday is Friday, y'all. It's Friday. I am also celebrating the winter solstice, which is the 22nd, or the 21st. My bad, 21st. I'm putting the forms on right now in a really crappy way that you cannot see. Imagine that. There's actually a few spots in this video where I totally pro'd it up and was not correctly underneath the camera. So, I know that seems to happen more with my non-dominant hand, and that I'm sure is because it's harder with your non-dominant hand. So I get closer to my face, and my face is not under the camera. But here you go. You can see a little bit. You can see a little bit. I left the footage just so we could chat a little, and also, you know, because I move in and out. In and out, guys, in and out. But we're going to do just a nice little coffin shape, little coffin shape. So once we get the forms on, what I'm going to do, and of course we do the thumb last, and you're not gonna see it because this video is already pretty long. Bing. Once I get these forms on, you can see I've got the products there, the prep, the prime, and the tack, and we are going to add those. Last set, the set I did fills on, the purple Eye Method Beauty, I lost the index finger. I don't normally get any kind of lifting, but I think I must have hit it on something because the whole nail just lifted. So that is the only one that is getting 100%, you know, replaced. The rest of them have a very thin layer of gel down, which you can probably notice. I am prepping that thumb for absolutely no reason. Right there, I'm just laughing at myself a little bit like, that was not necessary. Coming in with the primer. This is a non-acid primer. Both the prep and prime are from Mia Secret. We love her here. Although, honestly, I don't have any other Mia Secret products. So if you have anything that you really like, hit the comment section. Let me know what you love from Mia. Maybe I'll pick it up. Now we're coming in with the tack, and I'm doing the entire nail with that. It looks like I'm going crazy, but that's because everything's at double speed. Yes, I should be wearing gloves. That'll change. I'm just coming in and giving myself a very thin layer of the pink on all of the nail beds. I'm just showing you the one though. And then with this clear builder gel, I'm coming in and just connecting a nice nail tip. Again, very thin. So thin you really could not remove these forms and build on it. It is that thin. So now this blue, I did not show mixing it because you see it in another video. This is the leftovers from my other hand. I will link that video for you guys. And I actually mixed some holographic glitter in with it. And that was done off camera as sort of an experiment. I was just playing around at my desk and mixing things and doing this and that. And I loved it so much I knew instantly what was going to happen with it. Now I do also want to point out down there is some shell pieces. I still think I'm going to use those. Honestly, at this point, still thinking those are going in these nails. They're not. So pay no attention to the shells on the plate because they are not getting used. They're not getting used. Okay, so now what I'm putting here is some little holographic 4-point stars, some of which are going to end up showing up in the end result and some of are not. because that's how it works out sometimes. I am coming in with a darker blue polish. It's by Lagunamoon. And I'm just sort of dabbing it on. No rhyme or reason, just if I think it looks good there, that's where it went. I did not try to overthink this look in any way. I just had a vision in my head, and I knew that the only way to really achieve it was to let my heart make the nails and not let my head think about it too much. Now we need a tiny bit of white, so I mixed some builder gel with this white so that it would have like a self-leveling property to it. That's pretty basically it. You could do a base coat or a top coat, but I just figured I'm doing builder gel nails. Why not use builder gel? And now we are coming in, and again, I'm sorry, I'm a little out of frame. There we go. We are coming in and using this little spatula again. So far, other than the brush for the polish, I've just pretty much used the spatula to lay down all the products. I really just want it to look kind of galaxy-esque, and I think it ended up looking pretty good. We'll get there. We'll get there. Again, guys, I dipped down a little low. Oh my God. Super pro. She's a super pro. She's very pro-y. Yeah. Oh God. I can hear you unsubscribing. Anyway, we're gonna cure that. And now I'm coming in and putting down a slip layer. Really, it's not really a slip layer. It's just a layer, a very thin layer, but it would be considered a slip layer because it's the same thing. It's just not going to serve that purpose. So a very thin layer of the builder gel, and we are going to come in because at this point I've decided, no, not the shells. That's not the right color. It's not the right shine. There's nothing good about it. And we're going to come in with this really pretty holographic pink and just put some down. Same thing, haphazard. No rhyme or reason, just wherever it seems like it should go. That's where I'm letting the brush touch. No big deal. Now we're actually coming in with that slip layer and laying down an encapsulation. And at this point, it's pretty sloppy and horrible. But that's okay, we're gonna do it twice. Especially with my non-dominant hand, I really am not that good at just one ball of gel, right? That doesn't really work out with my non-dom, so I usually do twice, and you're gonna see why here. You can already see, there's little gaps, there's little dips, right? And I'm showing you right there. There's just like a little dip there. Okay, first a little pre-filing, bing, there you go. And because of that, you can already see the shape is coming in, but you can definitely see where there are some dips that need to be filled in with gel. So first, a nice little slip layer so gel knows where to go, because gel likes to go to gel. And as long as you have completely covered the nail in a beautiful slip layer, your gel is naturally going to go there. Not that you can hold it all day like that. It will go down the side of your finger, but you definitely, that slip layer is gonna give it a roadmap to follow. There you go. So take your little dollop of gel, lay it down, and then just travel it down. I'm gonna come in through the middle here, make sure everything is nice and straight. Same process down the sides. Make sure everything is nice and straight. There's going to be a little bit of upside down action, and then we're going to pop that bad boy right in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Okay, I did the rest off camera, so now it is time for some top coat. I did not try to do any filing on camera, guys. There's a couple videos the last few weeks where there is some filing, so if you're interested in that, I will definitely link those in the little doobly-doo up top there, the little linky links. That was the thumb. That was your first view of the thumb. We are coming in with all the top coats. Look at how pretty. If I do say so myself. I really, really love how these came out. There's some things I might change if I were to go a second shot at this set, but honestly, I like them so much, and I'm really glad that this is the set I'm going to wear to celebrate my birthday and to celebrate the winter solstice. And they feel very festive and holiday-ish and celestial and birthday-ish, and I absolutely love every single thing about them. I think they're great. Let me know what you think as well in the comment section, because you know I always want to hear what you guys think. It makes this channel so much more fun when we interact and have a little chat. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the tacky layer, because that was light elegance, super shiny, and that definitely leaves a little layer behind because it is a hard gel. But because it's a hard gel, it's also very stain resistant. So if you have colored hair, I would highly recommend it. You'll need to probably find a shop that'll sell it to you though, because it is a pro product. So look around. Look around. A little oil on the fingers, and then again I'm going to wipe that oil off the nails so that you can see them without all of that oil clouding the shine. This is the finished set, you guys. I think they're maybe the best Galaxy nails I've ever done, and one of my favorite sets I've ever worn. I really love them. They're so shiny and so holographic and just fan-freaking-tastic. I love them. Guys, thank you so much for watching and celebrating my birthday with me this week. There's a lot more to come, so be sure you have hit that subscribe button. We're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.